I'm finally in my new home, and it's a great feeling to know when I look around, all of my research and planning has definitely paid off. We decided to put Blum hardware not just in our kitchen but throughout our entire home, and this means that every room has been cleverly planned, which means everyday things are easy to access and completely organised. Blum helped me realise what I needed to have in a kitchen that is as functional as it is beautiful. They also made sure I thought about all the important things that you don't realise you need until you're in. The layout allows easy access to everything, so whoever's in the kitchen can still be involved in family conversation. There are lots of hardware options out there, but it wasn't until I went to the Blum showroom that I could see and feel the difference. So for me, having Blum involved from the very beginning has really paid off. The result? My home is decked out with hardware that is not only organised and really functional, its quality means it's made to last for our family home.